this morning, I wanted to take the opportunity to recognize this quarter's top Titan, the Assistant Director of Financial Aid, Miss ElizabethWhite.
Get out. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding.
Oh yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yay!
Couldn't have picked a better one.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh,
Congratulations to you. This is our time honored tradition with recognizing our top Titan, and I do have the certificates in place, but we'll have to get those to you from a social distancing standpoint and make sure you have that. But
thank you so much.
But we're very appreciative of what you've been doing with scholarships for a long time, coordinating scholarships, and the state funding coordinator, as well as most recently the training coordinator for the department. You really stepped up. I know in all the meetings I've ever had with students, you're kind of a guru with regards to questions and asking about financial aid, and a lot of the students come and ask for you and talk to you, and you know, at the heart of hearts, it's about the focus on the students, and so we're very appreciative of your hard work and commitment to Central Carolina at all times during this time as well. So congratulations to you, Elizabeth, and I would give you a hug, but we're socially distanced.
Thank you so much. This is such a nice surprise, and it really is quite a surprise. So you can probably hear my dog barking in the background. So it's really rewarding to be able to talk with a student and say, look, there are options without going into debt. And one thing I love about Central is that we're so affordable, that and there are so many programs available specifically for technical colleges.
What's the best thing that makes you feel good about your job and what you do? What gives you the biggest excitement or thrill about coming to work? Or staying on phone and staying on Zoom.
Yeah, emailing right now. But it's very rewarding to hear from students that think they couldn't afford college. It's just very rewarding to see some of them be able to complete their program. Right.
Well, I tell you what, looking back over the years, I'm sure there's thousands of individuals that could attest that you've been able to help them and support them, and that's so amazing. And I know looking back on that, you can actually see fulfillment in the work that you do on a day-to-day basis. So we're very much appreciative, and congratulations once again on being this quarter's top Titan.
Thank you.
And look forward to receiving your certificates in the near term. Digitally and in hand.
This has been a nice surprise. Thank you so much.